Okay, welcome back to trigonometry. We're going to be looking, I think this is problem number 6b. So we have our 4 sine squared x, that's an x there. Cotangent of x is equal to 3 cotangent x. So the big mistake that students typically make with this one is that they cancel the cotangent on both sides, which is a problem because you don't want to do that because you lose information. Okay, you lose answers. Okay, so really what you always want to do with problems like this is you want to say 4 sine squared x cotangent of x minus 3 cotangent of x is equal to 0. And you want to factor this. So we're going to say this is going to take out a cotangent of x. And then what do we have left? We have 4 sine squared x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then we'll go ahead and say we have cotangent x equals 0. And then we have 4 sine squared x minus 3 is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and solve this one. So we have 4 sine squared x is equal to 3. And then we have sine squared x is equal to 3 over 4. And then we're going to take a square root of both sides. So we get sine x equals the square root of 3 over 2 plus or minus. And I swear I've seen a problem like that before. So this actually has this is a unit circle kind of an angle. So and you're allowed to use your calculator. That's fine. The answers are usually write your answers with 2 decimal places in degrees so that you can do this. So first thing, cotangent. That's cosine x over sine x, isn't it? So I want where cosine of x is actually equal to 0. And I'm going to say, I think that's going to be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2, or 90 degrees and 270 degrees. All right. And that's my first two answers for this. If you canceled this, right, if you canceled it all the way up at the top, you would never have gotten these answers. So we have to worry about that. Now, sine x equals square root of 3 over 2, right? Remember, sine x looks something like this. So square root of 3 over 2 is somewhere over here, right? And that's going to be a pi over 3 or a 60 degrees. And we need it. We need the positive ones and the negative ones. It's going to be in all 4 quadrants. So I need the reference angle for 60 degrees in all 4 quadrants here. So my x for my sine contribution here is going to be 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 240 degrees, and 300 degrees. Okay. We also have 90 degrees and 270 degrees. So my solution set is all of these angles, okay, because of the square, because of the cotangent. So be careful with that. Try not to cancel. Sometimes that's the only thing you can do, and if that happens, then that's what you're stuck with. But if it's at all possible, slide that left side over, or slide that right side over to the left side to get it equal to 0 and see if you can't factor. Most of the time, that's going to be the preferred way of solving this, okay? So be careful with these. Try not to take the easy way out and like, okay, just cancel it. It'll be done. Like you're going to lose points because you didn't get all the answers, okay? So be careful with those. I'm going to say thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.